Hey guys, this is a Brother MFC-J5720DW printer. It was giving me an error where it wasn't picking up paper jam, or it's just trying to say that there's no paper in the printer, even though there is in both trays. So I looked up closer. I got this printer to take a look at it, and when I opened the bottom drawer, found this piece of paper in there, which is often an issue with printers that have a drawer type paper loading tray, just like this one does. So, and it just probably at one point the paper was kind of too thick. It was probably used for printing cards. It has regular paper here. So just check that out if you have a problem. Check both drawers, make sure there's nothing in there. It looks all clear, and the problem went away after I removed this piece of paper. I'm pretty sure it's going to print just fine. And another thing that you can do to help the printer not cause this problem again is just be very careful. Put maybe one sheet at a time if it's very thick. And also what you can do is just clean those rollers that are back there. It's a bit dark here. These rollers here that pick up the paper, they get paper dust on them after a while, so just use some alcohol swabs is probably the best thing that I've used for that. And just clean those rollers, and the printer will just keep on printing for many more pages. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.